Hello students, in previous video already we have learned difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. In this video we have to learn generally where uncountable nouns are often used. Look at here, I have divided some groups where uncountable nouns are often used. Look at here, abstract ideas made of smaller parts, liquids and gases, materials, some food and other nouns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last one is 6. So let's get started. First one, let's have a look on abstract ideas. What are abstract ideas? Abstract ideas means the ideas that we cannot touch or see. Already we know abstract noun. So abstract means that we cannot see, that we cannot touch, that we cannot hear. So abstract ideas, these are uncountable nouns. Abstract nouns have no physical existence. They refers to idea, emotions, then concepts that we cannot see or touch. For example, education. Education, this is abstract. Why? Because we cannot touch education. Can you touch education? You cannot hear education. Can you hear? Education is there. Education. No, you cannot hear. This is what we can hear. But education is not here. So, education is uncountable because you cannot count it. We cannot count one education. So, that means we don't say 2 educations or 5 educations. Can you say? So, we cannot count. So, that means it is uncountable. So, some example of these types of nouns are love, freedom, law, beauty, music, etc. These are all uncountable nouns. The next one, liquids and gases. Liquids or gases are generally uncountable noun. For example, milk. Can you count milk? No. But you can count the container it is in. For example, 2 bottles of milk or 2 jugs of milk. So here we are counting the container of milk. Listen again. 2 bottles of milk. That means bottles. 1 bottle, 2 bottles. So we add is after bottle, not after milk. Again I repeat, 2 bottles of milk, not milks. So that means we are counting the container of the milk. In this case, bottles, but we are not counting the milk itself. Clear? Some more example of liquid and gases and that are uncountable nouns. Water, oil, coffee, then tea, rain, juice, fog, then air, then blood. Okay, these all are uncountable nouns. But sometimes also we can say a cup of coffee. Please give me a cup of coffee. Or sometimes also we can say please give me 2 cups of coffee. Here also the same. We are counting the cups, the container where the coffee it is in. So these the things that made of smaller parts. Sorry, these all are uncountable nouns. Then we have to know about made of smaller parts. Things that are made of smaller parts. These are also considered as a whole. That means these are normally uncountable. For example, sugar. In sugar, we can say many small grains in salt. We can say many small grains, sand, rice, flour, then dust. All of there we can see many small grains of these. But we are saying we are considered as a whole thing. Isn't it? So we cannot count these type of nouns. So these are uncountable. Though you are counting the number of grains and not the sugar itself. But also sometimes we can say 1 kg of sugar, 2 kg. That means we are saying the quantity of itself. Okay. We are not counting. We cannot count it. So that means these are uncountable. And also sometimes we can say 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 teaspoons of salt. So here also we are counting the container or the measurement thing in which we are measuring. Okay. But these are as a whole, these we cannot count. Understood? So some more example already I said. This type of example, this type of uncountable noun: rice, salt, sand, flour, dust, grass, etc. Okay. Nouns that say what something is made of. These are normally uncountable nouns. That means made of means material. Made of something, that means material noun. Okay, it also material noun. So material nouns are also uncountable because these nouns are normally something is made of this, and these are uncountable nouns. So uncountable noun example: wood, glass, paper, gold, silver, iron, then steel, then cotton, wool. So for example, you cannot count gold, you cannot count silver, but sometimes we are counting the number of bars. You can listen 1 bar of gold or 5 bars of gold. So, and here also we are in these material cases always we have to use singular verb that I have already said you. Then we have to look at closer look on some food. Some food. These also uncountable. Usually it is food that needs to be cut up or enter into small pieces, but these type of nouns are uncountable. For example, bread. When we are saying bread, on that time bread is uncountable. But when we are cutting it, already I said, cut up or eat are in smaller pieces. When we are cut it, means slices of bread. So slices of bread, that is slices. So that is slices is countable. But as a whole bread, it is uncountable. Okay? So bread is uncountable. We can count slices of bread. So here we are counting number of slices, not the bread. The same with loaves. Loaf is also one kind of bread. Loaves of bread. Loaves. We are adding s after loaf. We are adding s after slice. So these loaf, slice, these are countable. But bread, this is uncountable. So we are counting the number of loaves. We are counting the number of slices. We don't say breads. Okay, so bread is uncountable now. So you need to be careful with the following uncountable nouns. Other nouns, what are these? Furniture, advice, walk. For example, walk, you can say homework, classwork. Homework, classwork, it is not countable. Homework not countable, classwork no, not countable. But when I am saying 2 pages of homework, so that means I am counting the page. I cannot say 2 pages of homeworks. No, we cannot count works. Like works, also homework, classwork. Okay, it is related with you. So that's I am explaining this. The news. Already here it is in S. Okay, but it is singular, not plural. News means information, some information. Then information, luggage. We cannot say luggages. Okay. Also, these are also uncountable nouns. So now you may be thinking, why these are uncountable? Because that we cannot count. For example, furniture. You can say almirah. But when I am saying almirah, so that means one kind of furniture it is. But furniture, that is uncountable. Furniture means as a whole. It can be bed, it can be almirah, it can be dressing table, chair. So all of these under furniture. So we cannot count it. But when we are saying the particular one thing, that we can count. 2 almirahs or 5 dressing tables, we can say. But furniture, this is uncountable noun. Okay. For example, also money. Money. It is very important. Money is uncountable. You also may be thinking, what? Money? Money is uncountable. Yes, it is true. You cannot count. You cannot count money, but you can count coins. For example, you can say, I have 5 coins. Or you can say, I have 5 10-rupee notes. So that means you are counting the coins, you are counting the notes, but you are not counting the word money. So, for example, you can say you can't say I have 5 monies, I have 10 monies. No. So money is also uncountable now. Okay. Today up to here. I hope this video is useful. Okay. Bye bye.